commemoration of the Day of the Sexual Violence, we have been conducted numerous trainings with the Somali security forces as an effort to provide them with the technical support and comply with the International Humanitarian Law. Those are very important elements whereby the Somali security forces need to absorb and take on board. On this area, we, during the dialogue and during the sensitizations on trainings and working group, we try to look into two areas. In regards of the sensitization, community advocacy, and understands how do they report these kind of issues and problems, because it is very for paramount importance in order to get the justice, and secondly through the medical care.